Good afternoon, Excellencies, judges, and my fellow students. We are here on behalf of Chiang Rai Provincial Administrative Organization School. My name is Thitikorn Sungsung. I would like to introduce my colleagues. This is Thanawat Suksaat and Thasuda Chantakham. Today, we have a chance to present to you about the microbit. So what is the microbit? The microbit is a pocket-sized computer which has 25 red LED lights that can flash messages or create games or applications. There are also two programmable buttons that can be used to control games or play and stop songs on the playlist. The BBC Corporation is a television station in England. In 2012, they had an idea about how to encourage students to study about programming. That's why Project Microbit was born. The BBC planned to give 1 million microbits to students in England aged 11 and 12, which was completed in 2016. And the microbit is manufactured by Fernal Element 14 in partnership with Microsoft, Lancaster University, ARM, Samsung, and many others. So next, let's talk about coding in a microbit.
About coding in microbit, the microbit can be coded in a different language types: JavaScript, Python, and Block. JavaScript and Python are a little bit harder and more complex than Block. So Block language is easier and this is perfect for beginners. With the block language that we use to program the microbit, every block has a command in it, and today we're going to show you how to make a microbit flash the light and play a melody. First, you have to drag the input block down, and remember that the input block is the first command that you have to start with. And then click on the basic tabs in the menu, then drag the show string down and connect it together with the first input and trace it by press A. The second command, the melody command. First, you have to drag the input block down again, but this time you have to change the button A to button B, and then click on the music tabs, drag the start melody down and connect it together and test it by press B. And it also can press A and B in the same time too, but the command will play one by one. Applying microbit to study. Before we applying the microbit to study, every student have write hard coded beforehand. So while we're using the microbit to study, every student have to learn about the block language from the teacher, which is really easy. And students can study in the concept of free learning on Android or iOS. However, it has to be connected with a computer or another device. After using the microbit to study, every student have a basic code writing skills, and they also can create an educational games or applications. My opinion about a microbit. The microbit help us to learn about a block language faster, and we can also learn another languages that more complex than block to further our careers. About a friend's opinion, our friend said that the microbit helped them to be more creative, and they also said that the microbit make them to have a good relationship.
Next is classroom. The microbit is encourage students to have more fun, enjoy the lesson in the classroom. When they have a problem to solve, they will come up as a teamwork and finding a solution together. And the microbit also minimize learning time and increase practice time. Next is school. The microbit help school become more popular, and school will get more students. Next is our activity that we did in our school.
This is the project that we did in our class. It's a robot that helps anyone who come in our school travel along the building, each building. Thank you for your attention.